What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rustoleum colors. We mix pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything, and combine it all together and try to create a more expensive looking paint job on the cheap, guys. And here lately we've been diving into Limelight candy concentrates, doing a lot of test spray outs with candies, you know, just to get your wheels turning for a future project. I got a fender prepped up behind me today. I had a subscriber reach out to me and he wanted me to try and replicate Soul Red. Now, I think it's 49 or 46V or whatever is the paint code for it. Double check me if I'm wrong or whatever. But it's a really popular new Mazda color that's on a lot of their SUVs and stuff like that everybody loves. It's a really poppy red, deep looking red. So I did a little bit of research on it and I looked up the base color that they use, and it's really close to this copper color right here, almost like a rose gold type color. So I've got some candy red concentrate and I've got this rose gold color by Rustoleum, and what we're going to do is I'm going to shoot the Rustoleum over the fender behind me and then hit it with some coats of candy and see if we can't make a poor man's version of that Mazda Soul Red that everybody finds so popular. So that's the game plan for today, guys, and yeah, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got this crazy copper color laid down right here. If you're wondering what the color is, I got the can right here. It's Bright Coat Copper Metallic Series Rustoleum, and the number is 314417 if you guys want to look it up. I am going to be using my Fender Swing clear here today, guys. 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. It's a little on the hot side today, but we're going to try and get through everything. Probably should use a slow one, but medium is what I got right now, and this is just a test spray out and see if this will even work. So, alright, I got 6 ounces total of clear, so divide that accordingly, and now we're going to do the Limelight Candy Concentrate Red, guys. And the way I'm going to do this is we're just going to do it the way we've been doing it with all the other candies, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright, so I know you guys have probably seen this candy red by now. For the ones that haven't though, bam, that's candy red. It is a very cool red, and the way I'm going to do this today is the way I've been doing it for all my other videos, guys. Try not to make too big of a mess. I'm going to drip it into this paint cup. I want to get a good bit of candy red in there, but I don't want to overload the mix. I don't want to waste stuff. You know, these are just test spray outs, and, you know, it's all in good fun either way. So, you know, I think I've been doing a pretty good judge of everything here lately for 6 ounces, and I think that'll be good right there, guys. So let me mix that up real quick. Oh yeah, and you can see, you look on the side of the cup, it kind of tells you the transparency, so you can see that right there. So I think that's going to be good, guys. I'm going to load up the old Rita gun, and let's see if we can't make Soul Red by Mazda. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this custom poor man style mid coat. We're doing it in the clear coat today, guys, and it's Limelight candy. We're going to try and replicate that Soul Red. Now, if you do decide to do this full scale, definitely go back after you do these candy coats and add more coats of clear. That way you'll get the longest lasting paint job. If not, the UVs will actually hurt this pretty quickly and it'll ruin your paint job. So definitely, like I said, go add some more clear, protect it, and you'll have a long lasting paint job for many years to come. Alright, I'm going to do consistent coats. That's kind of the game plan with candy. I'm going to try and do 2 or 3. That's been the sweet spot as long as I got enough in the mix. And yeah, then we'll take it out in the sun and see if we came close to Soul Red. I'm going to put the mask on. Let's get the spraying. Oh yeah, Rita gun. 1.3 tip, 28 PSI wide open trigger. That's my settings if you want to use it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, on today's candy experiment we tried to go for Soul Red, and man, it was a very interesting one. We used that weird copper base, and then we had to do 4 coats of candy to get to this effect right here. And yeah, what do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A subscriber challenged me to try and get as close as possible to Soul Red, the Mazda Color, the really pretty red, using Rustoleum colors and candies. And this is what we got, guys. I think it's pretty close. If you look at the pictures from everything I've Googled, you know, that's the colors they could use. I did have to go back and mix up a little bit more clear with candy because I had to do 4 coats. And you know, this is the end result, guys. It's a really, really pretty, crazy color out in the light and the sun, and in the shade it kind of has deeper or darker tendencies at certain angles. It just kind of, it messes with your eyes, and some things are kind of hard to pick up on camera sometimes. This color is one of them, because when I tried to throw the spotlight on it, it was super vivid and it just kind of whited out. And man, it's a really deep red color. So if you like this, then hey, like I said, it's not up to me, guys. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with the Line Candy Concentrates to recreate this color yourself, links will be in the description. And the Finish One Clear, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff I use, guys, links are always in the description to that as well. You just click the link that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store. You can buy everything there for the same price I get it for, but we will get a small little kickback. But like I said, it costs you nothing extra. You get the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. If you enjoy these crazy spray outs right here and trying to get more expensive colors, really hard to make colors, you know, like this 46V, I think is what the code was, this Mazda Soul Red. If you like these experiments, guys, and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second. Ring that bell notification beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops, because we're always doing paint jobs, tutorials, a little bit of everything on this channel. And leave me a quick like and comment. Just hit that little thumbs up and let me know a rating in the comments, or what did you think of it, or what other factory cool new school colors should we try and recreate in cheap budget Rustoleum. You know, that's kind of what this channel is all about, guys. It's fun experimenting with different things and trying to get more expensive paint jobs for way less. But I appreciate you for sticking with me today, guys. This was a fun one. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.